Welcome back, office executives, and in this particular video, Excel problem set scenario, we'll be finding out the net working days a person has to work for government organization or for private organization in order for him getting paid with the salary. So what we will be using the function is that equal to net work days dot intl. That's the function which you are taking this into consideration. And the start date the first parameter is asking for the start date as it is highlighted in bold. This is the start date, while the end date is something like this one, the last day of the month. And for government organization, Saturday and Sunday is taken as holiday, so I'll be hitting tab from the keyboard, close the braces and hit enter. And for private organization, what I'll be doing is that I will be again using the function that net work days. So what I'll be doing is that the start date is this one, and the end date is this one. The start date and end date fine, and only Sunday is off, Sunday only. So Sunday state is only off for the network days. And close the braces and hit enter. So we are having government 22 and private 26. So a person has to work for 22 days and 26 days if he wants to just get his salary remuneration. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys and happy coding.